everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and today I will be reviewing a product that's been out for a while, but I've been wanting to get my hands on this because it was created by one of our OGs of the natural hair community. Her name is Naptural85, and she created a cream called Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream. I'm sure you guys already seen this. This is my first time. I can't wait to try it on my hair because every time I see other videos using this product, their hair turns out so pretty, so pretty. But anyway, it has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes. It's made with shea butter and other oils. I'm so excited. I know you guys probably know that this was kind of pricey, but we'll see if it's worth it. It cost me $16.99. I think the shipping was actually like $10, but we'll see. We will see, won't we? So here we go. Now, I already parted my hair in 3 sections, and I'm going to do a flat twist today. So let me get started. By the way, I already put leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I used this one right here. I decided to use this as my leave-in because I want to use something kind of simple. Shea Moisture is pretty natural. They also have no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, all that stuff, and just a simple leave-in. Now, wow, it smells like chocolate, actually. You can smell the cocoa butter or something. But anyway, it's not a loud smell. It's a very faint smell. But I like it because I like chocolate. Okay, here we go. All right. Ooh, it's really thick. Oh boy. Really, 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 really thick. All right, let's check it out. Okay. I like how it feels in my hair. Oh, right, it's really soaking in to my hair. That's really a good sign. Any products that you use and it just lays on top of your hair, I don't think that's a good sign. But this right here is going right in. Oh, it's so moisturizing too. I'm so excited. Okay, then. Push it through. keep my ends moisturized because my ends, they get dry. Very moisturizing. I'm gonna go off camera and finish this up, and I'll come back and show you my twist. Okay, I'm back. I'm done twisting my hair. All right. And as you can see, my twist looks really moisturized. And I have to be honest with you guys. This cream right here is the most moisturizing styling cream I have ever used so far. When you put in your hair, you can feel the oils. It is just so creamy, so thick, so moisturizing, and it is awesome. But the real test is tomorrow when I take out my twist though. But yeah, but shout out to Whitney, aka Naptural85. You did your thing. You did your thing, girl. But anyway, I have 2 twists on this side. 3 twists at the top. 2 right here. This in the back. And alright, so I am finished and I can't wait until tomorrow so I can see the final results. I was just so excited when I received this product. It went in my hair so nicely. Oh my goodness. Woo! Okay, but anyway, let me get off camera and I will see you guys later. Hello everyone, and it's 2 days later and I'm just so excited to see the results. So let me get started. Alright, first of all, I'm going to start off with some almond oil. Put this in my hair. Almond oil really makes my hair so soft. So far, so good. I like the way they're looking. Wow, my hair looks shiny. And I like the definition. Ooh, 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 all that. I went off camera to finish taking out my twist, and I don't separate my twists too much on the first day because I know they're going to loosen up and get bigger as the days go on. So I don't fool with my hair on the first day too much. But what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, look at the curls. Look at the definition. Look at the moisture. Look at the shine. I'm a fan. I am a fan. Yes. Yes. Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream. Yes. I like it a lot. I like this a whole lot. I am a fan. I will repurchase this because it's worth it. It's worth it to me. So I will definitely repurchase this. This is a 16.1 full ounces. So that should last me a long time. This is about how much I use. I may have used a little bit too much, but I just want to see true results. True results. All right. So shout out to Naptural85 for creating this melanin hair care product. I am a fangirl. You have a customer. Yes, indeed. So it's time to go. And remember what I always say, be a light, shed some light. And until next time, God bless.